Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to file your taxes online step by step in a simple and beginner-friendly way. So the tutorial today is how to file taxes online using the income tax government website. If you're filing taxes online for the first time and have never e-filed before, you'll need to register yourself on the official income tax portal or through an authorized service provider. First, go to the official income tax e-filing website and start the registration process. During registration, enter your personal details and create a username and password. You'll need your PAN card number for this step, and your address details will automatically be pulled from your PAN records. Make sure you carefully enter all your personal information, especially your email address, because all communication about your income tax return will be sent to this email. Once registration is complete, you'll receive a confirmation email, open it, and activate your account. After activating your account, you're ready to file your tax return online. If you plan to use a digital signature, make sure to register it on the website before filing. Now, log into your account and choose the option to file your return. This may appear as View Returns or Forms or Quick e-File ITR. Next, select the correct ITR form based on your income type. For example, ITR 1 is for individuals with salary and interest income, while ITR 4 is for those earning income from a business or profession. You'll now have two options. You can either fill in your details directly online or download the ITR form as an Excel file, fill it offline, and upload it later. If you download the form, you'll need to generate an XML file before uploading it back to the website. Once inside the form, verify the pre-filled personal information or enter it manually if required. Next, enter all the income you earned during the financial year. After that, fill in your tax deductions under Chapter 6A, such as investments and eligible expenses. Then, enter details of tax already deducted, like TDS from your employer or other sources. If there's any tax payable, make the payment online. After payment, you'll receive a challan with a challan identification number, also called the CIN. Enter the payment details and CIN into your tax return form along with your bank details. Once everything is filled in correctly, submit your return or upload the XML file if you use the offline form. Once submitted, you'll need to verify your return. You can do this electronically using your PAN or Aadhaar, or you can print the ITR-V form. Once verified, you'll receive an acknowledgement confirming that your tax return has been filed successfully. If your return was filed using a digital signature, the process is complete immediately. If not, make sure your ITR is verified within the required time to avoid issues. And that's it. That's how you file your taxes online. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more tax and finance tutorials, and leave a comment below if you want help with another guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.